In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to store data in Google Cloud Storage, Google's object storage solution. If you're looking to efficiently manage and store your data in the cloud, Google Cloud Storage is a fantastic option that's both flexible and scalable. Let's dive right into the simplest method available, using the Web Console, also known as the browser interface. To begin with, you'll want to access the Google Cloud Console. Simply log in using your account credentials. Once you've successfully logged in, navigate to the Storage section. You can find it easily on the left-hand menu. Once you locate it, click on Browser. This section is your gateway to managing all your storage needs within Google Cloud. Now, before we proceed, it's essential to understand the concept of a bucket. Think of a bucket as a container where you can store your data files. You have the option to either work with an existing bucket or create a new one. If you're creating a new bucket, make sure it's named appropriately, as name changes aren't allowed afterward. Choose a region for your bucket that reflects where you'd like your data to be stored. This is especially important if you want to optimize for data latency or comply with regional data storage regulations. Once you're set, click on an existing bucket to start uploading, or click the Create Bucket option to set up a new one. After selecting your bucket, you have a couple of options to store your data. One of the most intuitive methods is to use drag and drop functionality. This means you can simply drag your files from your computer directory and drop them into the Google Cloud Storage interface. You'll see them start to upload automatically. Alternatively, you can click on Upload Files or Upload Folder if you prefer a more manual approach. This will open a window to navigate through your directory and select specific files or folders you'd like to store. Once the uploading process is complete, your files will be displayed as objects within the bucket. This signifies that the files are now safely stored in Google Cloud Storage and can be accessed or managed as needed. It's important to remember that these objects can be anything from text files, images, videos, or large datasets, depending on your project's requirements. And that's it. It really is that straightforward. Leveraging Google's Web Console for cloud storage makes managing your data easily accessible and user-friendly. Whether you're backing up essential data, sharing files with team members, or preparing your business for rapid scaling, this method is a reliable go-to for all your storage needs.